So today is January 30th, 2024. We're at the Palmer's house. It's 55 degrees. We're gonna attempt to repair this wind damage shingle. As you can see, it's actually widespread just on this slope alone and all over the entire house. Like I said, we're going to attempt to repair this. As you can see, it's creased pretty bad. All the other ones as well. Like I said, it's widespread all over the place. So, get going. There we go. I mean, you can see the granulars just pouring off of this house. You see the shingles already ripped right there. As you can see, we're gonna have to get into the second run of nails. I'm gonna go ahead and unseal these. Let's see. Like I said, this one's already creased. You can see this shingle already is creased pretty good, and we haven't even barely lifted it up 45 degrees. And you can see all the way across there. This one as well is starting to crease right there. So it's already, and that one's teared. This one's actually tore. It's on that one. Alright, we're gonna put the new shingle in. Hammer. You can see the granular just pouring off as we're just hammering these nails back in. As you can see, all the writing is not legible anymore. It's completely gone. Even the chalk on these other ones. And you can see, I mean, the granular's just all over the pitch hopper right here. I mean, it's everywhere. But like I said prior, that this one right here is actually creased. It's actually tore right there. It's actually tore right there. It's creased right here, creased right here. Like I said, obviously this one was already one of the damaged shingles. So we're gonna go with T for tear, C for crease. Got 1, 2, so you got 1, 2 tears. And then for crease, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This whole shingle is actually creased. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 actual creases in the shingles. I mean, you can see that right there, just from lifting it up trying to repair it. I mean, the granulars are pouring off these shingles, so in turn this would be a failed repair. And again, like I said, that whole shingle's creased. Got a crease there, tear, tear, crease, crease. That would be a failed repair.